So in our next topic, students, we will learn comparison of two and more digits number. So first our point is we can compare only two numbers at once. So बच्चे सबसे पहले आप यह बात ध्यान रखेंगे कि हम एक बार में at once we can only compare two numbers. Next point is in comparison of numbers, first of all check how many digits a particular number contains and after observation more digits means bigger number. तो बच्चे सबसे पहले आपको बात ये भी याद रखनी पड़ेगी कि जब भी आप कंपैरिजन करना स्टार्ट करते हैं किन्हीं दो नंबर का, तो सबसे आपका बेसिक स्टेप क्या है कि आप उसकी डिजिट्स काउंट करेंगे. जिन दो नंबर्स को आपको कंपेयर करना है उनकी डिजिट्स आप सेपरेटली काउंट करेंगे. और अगर जिस नंबर की डिजिट ज़्यादा है वो ओबियसली वो नंबर बड़ा है. मोर डिजिट मीन्स बिगर नंबर. Our third point is if two numbers have the same number of digits, the number with the bigger digit on the left hand side is greater. If the leftmost digit are the same, we compare the next digit to the right and keep doing this until the digits are different. So if we have two numbers and both have the same number of digits, after your observation you find out that both the numbers have the same number of digits. So what will you do? So then suppose we have two number like 137 and 142. Student, notice this, both his numbers have same number of digits. This also have 3 digits, this number also have 3 digits. Now what will you do? Notice this point, the number with the bigger digit on the left hand side is greater. अब आप क्या करेंगे बच्चे, लेफ्ट मोस्ट हैंड साइड इस चलाएंगे तो हमारी सबसे लेफ्ट मोस्ट कौन सी पार्ट होगी, ये हमारा ये डिजिट. एंड व्हाट विल वी ऑब्जर्व दैट बोथ दीज हैव 1. नाउ व्हाट विल यू डू इफ द लेफ्ट मोस्ट डिजिट्स आर द सेम. अगर हमारे पास लेफ्ट मोस्ट साइड डिजिट है वो सेम निकले, देन वी कंपेयर द नेक्स्ट डिजिट टू द राइट. फिर हम क्या करेंगे बच्चे, हम राइट की तरफ शिफ्ट होंगे. इसके बाद हमारा सेकंड नंबर किसको कंपेयर करेंगे, सेकंड नंबर को फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड. And now what will find, this is 3 and this is 4, and you all know that 3 is smaller and 4 is bigger. So what will our conclusion, what will we find out, that the number 142 is bigger and 137 number is smaller in comparison of these two numbers. Okay students, get my point. Now we should shift to next slide. Let's see it. Compare these numbers. What are these numbers? 390 and 99. So what will be our first point? Compare the number of digits in both numbers. This number have 2 digit, this number have 3 digit. So what is our observation? Find out where that 3 is bigger than 2. So 390 is bigger, 99 is smaller in comparison of these two numbers. So what will we write here? What will we write here? Bigger is 390 and smaller is 99. Now students, compare this. Compare this number 782, 782, 982. Now compare, count number of digits. This number also have 3 digits, this also have 3 digits. Now come to next point. Compare the leftmost digit. This have 7 and this number I have leftmost digit is 9. So we obviously know 9 is bigger. So 982 number is bigger than 782. Now what will we write? What will we write here? Bigger is 982 and smaller is 782. Isn't it very simple? Students, you can also give your some examples of your own choice. Then you should compare these numbers with these following 3 points. What are these points? We can compare only 2 numbers at once. अब इस बात को याद रखेंगे कि हम एक बार में सिर्फ 2 नंबर्स को ही कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. In comparison of numbers, first of all check how many digits a particular number contains and after observation. सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है बच्चे, काउंट करने हैं हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स इन ए नंबर. More digits means bigger number. If two numbers have the same number of digits, the number with the bigger digit on the left hand side is greater. If the leftmost digit are the same, we compare the next digit to the right and keep doing this until the digits are different. Okay students, I hope you learn this comparison of two numbers very easily. Now come to next topic, ascending and descending order. This is also a very important topic, and this based on comparison of numbers. Now we will read ascending order. Compare and arrange numbers from lower value to higher value. What will you do? First of all, our first step, compare. We have to compare two numbers and then arrange numbers from lower value to higher value. This should be the graph. Lower to higher value. Now what will you do? What is our example? Write numbers 1 to 10 in ascending order. Students, write 1 to 10 directly. The counting we did, directly write it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the ascending order. Now what is descending order? Descending order is to compare and arrange numbers from larger value to smaller value. It is just opposite of ascending order. Example, write number 1 to 10 in descending order. Students, just reverse the ascending order, or you can also do this in the concept. What is our concept? From larger value, from counting 1 to 10, what is the largest number? 10. Write it down first. Then in comparison of rest of the numbers, which one is the biggest? 9. Then in comparison of rest of the numbers, which number is bigger? 8. You can also do in this manner also. Let's come to next slide. Ascending and descending order. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order and descending order. These are our numbers: 34, 48, 12, 99 and 105. So we will compare these numbers and arrange them in ascending and descending order. But what is the order of ascending order? First of all, we will write smallest number, then higher, then higher and then higher. And descending order is just the opposite. First of all, write the biggest number, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller and then smaller. So we will compare these numbers. This first our step is counting the number of digits they have. This number have 2 digits, this also have 2, this 2, this 2, but 105 has 3 digits. So it is very obvious that 105 is the biggest number among these 5 numbers. So we will, in ascending order, we will write it as the last. Now compare these rest of the numbers. What our rule says? Compare the left most digit. And if we compare these numbers, what is this digit? 3, this 4, this 1 and this 9. Among these, what we will say? 3 digit, 3 number, 4, 1 and 9. Which is the smallest among these? You can easily see that 1. What does it mean? 12. So we will write it as first number. Then among these numbers, delete it. You have to remove it. Just remove 1. Now compare only these 3. Which one is the smallest? 3. Which one is the smallest? Our number 3. Then write it 34 next to him. Now also remove this number. Compare now these two numbers. Which one is smaller? 4. What does it mean? 48. Write it down here. And now remove this also. And our only number is left. What is it? 9. What does it mean? 99. Then write. And we have now biggest number is 105. We will write it down simply. And if you want to compare in descending order also, what is our descending order? Biggest number first, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller and then smaller. You have to just reverse this order. To write descending order, you have to just reverse this. So this is all from my side. Thank you very much.